Hey, Lina. Wait, please don't walk away.
Why not? I'm still upset with you.
I know, and I'm really sorry.
You already said sorry in your message.
Yes, but I wanted to say it directly, face to face.
Okay, what exactly are you sorry for?
For forgetting your birthday yesterday.
Exactly. We've been friends for 5 years. 5 years, and suddenly you forgot my birthday?
I know, I feel terrible about it.
Yesterday, I waited all day for your message. I thought maybe Ryan is planning a surprise, but nothing happened.
I understand why you were disappointed.
Disappointed? I was angry. Even my neighbor remembered my birthday.
Ouch, that hurts.
Good.
Come on, Lina, don't be too cruel.
I'm not cruel. I'm emotional.
Fair enough.
So, why did you forget?
Honestly, yesterday was a crazy day. My boss suddenly asked me to finish a big report, my phone battery died, and then my laptop froze 3 times.
That sounds stressful.
It was, but that's still not a good excuse. I should have remembered.
At least you admit it.
Of course, when we make mistakes, we should admit them.
That's true.
You know, saying I'm sorry is important, but I think understanding the mistake is even more important.
Wow, that sounded wise.
Thank you. I practiced that sentence in my head 5 times.
Really?
Yes, the first version sounded like a robot.
Can you show me?
Okay. Dear Lina, I apologize for the inconvenience.
That sounds like an email from a company.
Exactly. That's why I changed it.
Good decision.
So, can you forgive me?
Maybe.
Maybe?
You need to work a little harder.
Uh-oh. What do I have to do?
First, buy me ice cream.
That sounds reasonable.
Second, never forget my birthday again.
Deal.
Third,
There's more?
yes, you must sing a birthday song now.
Right here in public?
Yes,
People are watching.
that's not my problem.
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, that's terrible.
I know, but it comes from the heart.
All right, Ryan, I forgive you.
Really?
Yes, everyone makes mistakes sometimes.
Thank you, Lina. You're a good friend.
And you're a forgetful friend.
That's also true.
But remember this.
A sincere apology is important.
Definitely.
Some people say sorry very quickly, but they repeat the same mistake again and again.
Yes, a real apology should include action,
Exactly.
not just words.
So today, we learned something important.
Right. If you hurt someone, don't be arrogant.
Admit your mistake.
Say sorry sincerely.
And try to improve yourself.
That's how friendships become stronger.
By the way, what flavor of ice cream do you want?
Chocolate brownie with extra cookies.
That sounds expensive.
This is the price of forgetting my birthday.
Okay, let's go.
And Ryan,
Yes,
thank you for apologizing sincerely.
you're welcome. And once again, I'm sorry.
Accepted.